Init pa lang ng painit ang laban. Set number 4 tayo. To start off. Azayap on the service area. Mamaya, matutunghayan nyo. Perpetual San Sebastian. That would be on GTV. O makilang off-speed hit. Rica Blanca, kargado at sigurado.
First point for Rica Blanca. Parte pa rin talaga siya ng play kahit nasa back row na siya eh. And I love na si Kuhol, binibigyan pa rin ng variation.
Makilang. Oh, Frian Garcia with an attack.
4 touches called by our first referee. Pero pinaglalaban ni Coach Aying dito na tumama naman daw sa kamay ng blockers.
Tapang with an off-speed hit. Frian. And that was
good bowing from Frian Garcia. Yes.
Kino-contest nito na not over daw yung palo. Pero tumama sa braso.
Yes, it did touch the hands of the blocker.
Serving for Nabuo, Frian Garcia.
So Frian on the service area. Good serve. Tapang.
Good coverage.
Going for the quick was Nicole Ong. So Lady Knights off speed. Power tip lang. Free ball. Oh, solid hit by Lea Tapang.
Binubuhay ni Tapang yung teammates niya dito.
And a spicy hit by Lea Tapang off the hand of Rica Blanca. And get Ledesma on the serve. Rica Blanca on the attack, popped up by Yap. And Netura.
Nag-iiba na yung aura ni Netura dito.
Uma-aura? Uma-aura. On that hit. Sweet nothing.
Yes.
Kasama sa laro. Gamesmanship. Yan. Kasi iba wina-warn pagka nagsasalita, di ba? Pag nakaharap. Kaya tumatalikod.
Totoo.
Here comes Mapua. Roxy getting roofed. Go to the other side kay Rica Blanca. Getting popped up. Free ball coming up para dito sa Lady Cardinals. Oh!
Good save.
Roxy on the adjustment. Tapang with a tip. De La Cruz off speed. Again, the defense finally biting there. Off the back row hit. Not over. Attack error for Frian Garcia.
Umahaba na yung rallies natin dito, but yung errors pala ng both teams na kapag paputol ng momentum.
May halong pagod na rin siguro. Dahil mataas ang work rate ng mga attackers ng Mapua. They started like a house on fire in the first 2 sets. De La Cruz. Defense is there. Netura.
Asking for check ball.
Heading all the way out.
Tinap na lang niya sarili niya.
Tignan natin dito on this back set, on the attack.
That was out, I think. Yeah.
Again, I defer. But that's definitely in. Tere Manalo.
With a kill block.
That's good on a Friday. A little bit of emotion. Won't hurt. Right there.
Sagot nila yan sa palakpak ni Nitura.
Oo, sagot sa taginit. Namas natin yung konting emosyon. Mahirap yan pag bottled up.
Yes.
So, Tapang on the tip. Back set. Bika Blanca on the check. So both Raisa and Roxy in double figures. And they're just breaking the ball down. Continuously attacking the defense. Grabe yung condition din talaga nila to be focal points of this offense. Oh, double check there. Double tap, rather. On Ajayap. So 4-0 right here for the Cardinals. Right there. Hindi dumulas yung mag-set. So Nicole Ong on the serve. Yeah, perfectly placed ball.
Good tip. Quick attack by De La Cruz.
Yung middle blocker, ito yung mga sweet spot, no? Yung mga ganyang bola na sakto yung pagbaba niya sa buwelo mo na paangat ka.
Tapos bigla mong bibilisan yung drop ball. Mahirap depensahan yung mga ganun.
Kasi usually they would react upstairs. And then, masyadong tight yung window, bagsak.
Yes.
Hirap na siyang magpo-protect dun sa mga blockers sa likod. Makilang on the pop-up. Here comes the Tran. Nitura. Joust at the net. Tapang. Getting that check. And a point. Tie tayo rito at 6.
Tapang getting a point from the check ball. Kanina niya pa rin kasi target. Yung zone 6, yung down the line. Kasi nga, yung libero sa cross-court nakaabang. So, she'd rather target that down the line.
Roxy with the loaded hit.
Oh,
miscommunication there.
Kita natin yung paghabol ni Yap sa middle blocker pero hindi siya ready.
Sa aming pagbalik, may update sa atin si Diana Igual.
Mga kapuso, let's take a quick look back at the early goings of our brand new NCAA volleyball tournament here in the first edition of our Week in Review. On opening day last Sunday, the Benilde Lady Blazers began their quest for a three-peat on a high note as they dominated EAC 25-15, 25-14, 25-23. Graduating middle blocker Mitch Gamit led the way for the Taft Avenue-based squad with...
Balik po tayo sa ating laro dito sa NCAA Season 99 Women's Volleyball Tournament. Coach Hammer and Mika, both head coaches, wasted no time in reminding their team of the importance of today's win, saying much about the adjustments that they have to make. Kung para kay Coach Aying, he reminds his team na ipatuloy lang ang good communication between his players until the last stretch. Para naman kay Coach O, he said, and I quote, to read and commit, pointing out how there is no space for any doubts para sa kanyang mga manlalaro, seeing how they are this close to the end of the match but still being 2 sets away from getting that W. Coach Hammer and Mika?
Malapit na. Pero kailangan trabahuhin.
Malayo pa.
Oo. Malayo na, pero malayo na.
Yes.
Yan. Malapit na yan. Nandiyan lang yan. And you gotta compete. Ika nga. So, balik tayo dito sa ating aksyon. Ito challenge ngayon dito ang depensa ng Mapua, their floor defense. Their net defense is there, pero yung floor defense ng Mapua, ang sinusubukan dito ngayon. Makilang with the hit. Estrelier, balik na sa laro. Back row hit by Roxy. Nat going to Gia.
Oh, akala ng libero ng Mapua na outside. Nag-hesitate si Basbas.
Van hesitated for a bit. That goes for the Lady Knights. And the Royce De La Cruz now on the service area. Versus with a hit. Estrella. Right at that line was Gia Makilang.
Good target by Gia Makilang. Long balls.
Soletran now tying the game. Comes Royce De La Cruz. Received by Roxy De La Cruz. What a point! Goes to Letran.
It was a double contact for Gohol. Sinubukan niya rin kasi na habulin dahil pa-over na. Medyo mabilis din yung first ball.
Roxy on the reception. Versus. First attack for Nadine. Versus. And Nats gets that point.
Nakuha din sila Desma ng medal blocker kaya medyo na late. Nagkaroon ng konting space for that cross-court attack si Versus.
May buwelo.
Yes.
Nakakuha siya ng magandang buwelo. And now their team captain, Tere Manalo, on the service area.
Ooh, good block.
Oh, Nicole Ong again providing that friction on the net.
Saradong-sarado. Actually, pwede namang targetin ni Makilang to si down the line, yung setter nila.
Si Gohol. Oh, service ace for Tere Manalo. Impactful reps dito para kay Tere Manalo. Getting inserted in the third set. Now in the fourth set, she gets an ace. Esteller to Makilang. Defense was there for Mapua. And Versus coming alive here in that in the fourth set rather.
Huwag ka matawang pumalo din, napakover kami, ha?
Pinapapalo kita, pero you have to know sinong blocker mo dito at sinong dito. Yun ang gusto ko. It's not enough to know, you have to apply. It's not enough that you gusto mo lang, you have to do it. Do you understand? Pangalawa, ilang beses ka nababalikan ng bola kasi gusto mong i-perfect yung receive mo. No! Put it up!
Taas lang! Okay!
Lea.
Coach Hammer, sabi ko nga rin kanina, I noticed na si Makilang pwede naman niyang targetin si Gohol kasi yung kumbaga smaller blocker niya and mas may chance na makakuha siya ng puntos doon. And Coach O reminded her na sino ba yung blocker mo? Siyempre hindi naman natin gustong targetin si Nicole Ong, di ba?
So just a few adjustments and reminders by Coach Oliver. Here comes Tetran. Oh, double contact on Nat.
Double contact violation. Point goes to the Lady Cardinals.
5-0 run now for the Lady Cardinals.
Gusto
establish pa rin
ni
yung ano niya. Pag-execute niya.
Coach O na sana pinalo na lang ni Estrelier yung bola na yon.
Good serve by Tere Manalo. Makilang. Versus again. Ledesma getting that push. It goes straight out.
Medyo napalakas yung push na yun, but good intention, good target sana dahil wala rin naman masyadong nakaabang sa corner na yon.
And Coach Mia Choseco of the GRU Heavy Bombers, along with Coach Larry Sioco, enjoying the action and doing some scouting here for the Lady Bombers. I think they would still face the Lady Cardinals, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, the Lady Knights rather. Dahil nakalaban nila itong Mapua last, if I'm not mistaken, Tuesday.
Ngayon si Coach O, binalik na si Yap for the Lady Knights.
Ajay up on the serve.
Good save by sorry. This is
Rebustes.
Rebustes.
And Rica Blanca going for that long floating hit. Dulo. Corner pocket.
Kahit nasa back row si Rica Blanca, meron pa rin production.
Left-handed tip here by Makilang. Rica Blanca going for that down the line on the sideline, but it goes out.
Medyo sumobra yung pag-twist niya ng katawan doon. Kaya nag-out na rin yung palo. Yun naman yung challenge kapag lefty ka.
Hirap, no?
Sa opposite side. Nakabawi. Agad-agad.
Quick adjustment.
Yes.
Bawas ng turn ng konti. And going down the line. So, second technical timeout tayo. Lamang dito, ang Mapua.
The era of new heroes continues in season 99, and this time, it's her story that will unfold as the volleyball tournament has officially taken off.
Easier said than done though.
Last April 7, the much-awaited opening ceremony took place with an exciting lineup of matches.
Luch. That's a cross-court hit.
But perhaps the most...
Back here for more action. And Coach Cromwell enjoying the action here, doing some scouting for the number 2 seed LPU Lady Pirates. And of course, Coach Hammer Martin Antonio and Mika Reyes doing the action. So 5-point lead here for Mapua, and they are up to serve here. On deck is Nads versus Yen Martin getting roof there.
Another good block by Lady Cardinals. This time, kay Rica Blanca. Pupunto siya, bumablock din siya.
Both ends of the floor, offense and defense. Nakakagawa ng paraan dito si Ricer Rica Blanca.
Sinubukan ni De La Cruz. I-swipe ulit yung bola doon.
May halong gigil.
Yes. But good try. Yun naman yung importante. Good attempt pa din.
A good hit by Roxy. Wala nang swipe.
Coach Hammer, totoo talaga yung sinabi mo kanina. No? After an error, another adjustment lang yung kailangan nilang gawin. Nakakabawi agad ang Lady Cardinals.
Meron silang Dory syndrome, short-term memory loss.
At yun yung okay naman.
Nakaka-move
on agad, yes.
Uy, nakaka-move on agad. Dito, Royce De La Cruz naman for the Lady Knights getting that quick attack on the middle.
Gohol wasn't ready for that quick attack. Ooh, no one was there. Walang na-cover. Good block by De La Cruz.
Right there, keeping and holding the fort. I like the emotion showed by these women. Nothing. I know. Nandun. Costly error here by Judel Netura. No, ganito sila nakahabol. When the score was 19. Then nakakuha sila ng buwelo. So we'll see. In the third set yun. Yan, nasa fourth set tayo. They're trailing by 5. Talking about the Lady Knights.
catch and throw pa rin.
Catch and throw. Para mas makakalusot yun pag sa beach volley, eh, diba? Yung medyo mas matagal na...
Hindi ka doon tatawagan ng lifting.
But the service error here by Raisa Ricablanca.
Kapag nakaka-puntos din talaga sila na, kumbaga nakaka-pondo ng puntos, may part talaga na si Lady Cardinals medyo na giging complacent. No? Yes.
Nitura. Gohol going to Manalo. And returns to sender.
Kill block for the Lady Knights.
Going for the power tip was Roxy. Balik ulit dito sa Mapua ang bola. Ricablanca trying to go down the line, but that goes outside on that baseline. So timeout dito si Coach Aying.
So, konting daya sa setting natin. Pagandahin mo na yung set kay Roxy. Maliit yung setter dun. So, kailangan mapatay natin dun sa 1. Eh. Okay, pagandahin mo lang Roxy, atakin na maganda. Pero kailangan natin pumasa muna. Okay? Ngayon, pag wala, pero pasamahin mo na pasamahin para mag-single block doon sa dulo. Okay, let's go, let's go.
Tama ka, yun yung sinabi.
Kailangan kunin ni Tere Manalo yung middle blocker na Letran para mas-single block si Roxy.
Saka yung last phrases, hindi pa tapos?
Hindi pa talaga tapos. Malayo pa yan.
5 puntos pa yan. So,
first good ball pa rin ang kailangan.
Dahil yung third set, again, kinuha yun sa dulo ng Letran. So here comes the Lady Cardinals. De La Cruz trying for that bounce ball. Free ball. Roxy again, trying to sweep it to the side. Buhay pa rito. Mapua having that golden opportunity. Manalo. Oh, roofing it. Of the back row hit. Here comes Raisa. Wala. Ready for that sweep. So point is awarded to the Lady Cardinals. Long rally there.
Yes, Coach Hammer. And Gohol always looking for Ricablanca, lalo na kapag out of system play. And of course, ready ang ating mga middle blockers.
So Roxy De La Cruz on the serve. That's long. So now a chance for the Lady Knights to gather enough steam para kuhanin bang muli sa dulo itong ating set.
Let's see, Coach Hammer.
Yung ngiti mo, ha? Trixie going to Nads and Nadine getting another kill here in the fourth set.
Si Verses din yung isa sa mga silent attacker natin dito.
And coming off the bench. And if I'm not mistaken, 4 points. Si Nadine.
Nicole Ong is now in front. And she gets a block.
Automatic, nabanggit. Kill block for Colong.
Bantay na bantay niya talaga ang middle blocker ng Letran.
Timeout muna dito ang Letran.
You have your advantage. But you still want to go there. Kailangan natin ng maturity dito. Hindi yung feeling lang natin. Okay? You know your advantage. Meron kang percentage. Why will you risk? Okay, anyway, tapos na yon. We have to receive. Now, we have to take charge in defense. Alam nyo kung sino ako dapat. Kailangan natin initiative. Kailangan natin magsalita. Hindi pwede naghihintayan.
Coach, yung sabi nga natin kanina na aangkinin, di ba? Ikaw yung tatawag, ikaw yung hihingi ng bola. Yun yung kailangan ng letran ngayon. Kung sino yung gustong umako para makakuha ng puntos.
Yun. Merong mga player na gusto, yung mga nakakuha, yung gustong-gusto.
Yes,
Yan.
oo. Totoo yan. Yung humihingi ng bola, yun yung gusto ng mga setter.
Yan. Oh, Tere Manalo with a little help from the net. So, bola ngayon dito ng Mapua. Popped up by Yen Martin. Netura. Back row hit again by Rica Blanca. Oh, hinabol pa. Almost going out na.
But it was a check ball, I think. Let's check the replay.
Check
yeah,
na. Tumama.
Yes.
Tumama sa kamay ni Nicole.
Ooh. Medyo wala sa pwesto si Verses doon. Pinilit niya pa rin atakihin.
Tsaka nasa ilalim siya ng bola. Hindi yung sweet spot yung napaluan na. Kaya medyo alangan. So Frian Garcia gets inserted back in. And Nadine Verses giving a good account of herself. Roxy off the back row hit. Oh, that's a check.
Nagkatinginan.
Kumakatok pa dito ang letran.
Relax na tayo. Tapusin muna natin. Tsaka tayo mag-relax. Yung aggressiveness doon sa depensa, wala na naman. Inasa na naman natin doon sa kasama natin. Diba? Di bali na magbangga. At least nakikita ng gumagalaw. Pero huwag niya sa kakampi nyo. Magsalita lang ng magsalita para alam kung sino gagawin sa loob. Ay, dalawa pa yan. Oy, ilaban mo yan.
Lady Cardinal!
Medyo nag-relax nga rin talaga ang Lady Cardinals dito.
Yan ang relax. Nakaturon at saka yung egg pie.
Ang sarap naman yan.
Oo. So, si Shaira, si Minmin, si Aldea. Relax lang. Kumaya pa yung game eh. Oh, medyo mainit. Mainit yung laro natin eh.
Mainit din.
And the
Mainit
Lady
din sa
Knights
pwesto
are
natin.
on a 3-0 run. Make that 4-0 run.
What a block by the Lady Knights.
Strength on strength, no?
I know. Wala rin naka-cover. Walang nakaabang. Walang naka-ready para sa coverage na yun.
Very important possession here for both squads. Nitura. Free ball now for the Lady Cardinals.
Ooh.
Oh, yun lang. First ball. And an error. We're tied now at 23.
Sayang yung free ball na binigay ng Lady Knights doon. Hindi nila na-execute properly. Hindi nabigay para makapag-create ng play.
So 5-0 run now for the Lady Knights. Crucial service for the Lady Knights. Might dictate the outcome of this game. This sequence. This set, rather.
Ooh,
Oh, another
error!
attack error.
Another crucial error by Frian Garcia. Two consecutive
Oo. Gigil.
attack errors. Let's see. Let's see the sequence.
Oh, smart play. Very smart play by
Gohol.
Trixie Gohol. Nagsascramble na kanina. Marami ng
yes.
action. Mahaba ang rally. Nobody expected a 1-2 play.
Hindi sila ready. Ang Letran Knights, alam naman nila na nasa front row yung setter.
Oh!
They were asking for a check ball. And there's none. Ngayon, coach, 3 attackers na ang Mapua dito.
They gotta take care of business here. If they don't want this to get to the 5th set. So Trixie on the service.
And of course, nandiyan si Nitura.
Hindi ba tayo tapos dito? Bakit nga naman hindi?
Yes.
Ito na laban natin eh. Sure natin, konting extension lang. And Nitura ever so slightly getting that to brush off the fingers of the blockers. Martin trying to go for that drop ball again. Babawi dito si Garcia. Nitura getting blocked there by Ong. Martin kakargahan, popped up by the libero. Garcia getting blocked.
Good save.
Oh!
That's inside!
Going down the line was Arisa Ricablanca.
Good target by Rica Blanca.
How about that save by Roxy De La
Yes.
Cruz?
Binigyan niya ng justice. Yung incredible save doon ni De La Cruz.
Nitura going for that drop. Goal. Frian. Oh, and that sets the match up and sends the win to the way of the Mapua Lady Cardinals, 27-25 in 4 sets. So Mapua taking the first set 25-19, also taking the second set 25-22. Letran taking the third set 25-21 and an extended fourth set na kinuha ng Mapua Lady Cardinals to take care of business and get this win. Pakinggan natin ang school hymns na magkabilang koponan.